What do you have in your hand? The shaker. What? No, not the video. Ay, ay, ay. Who created this monster? Daddy did. You got big poo-poos in your pants. Oof. Hi. Daniel. Daniel. You're nuts. You are nuts about the camera. Did you tell everyone, Daddy, what you did? Okay, okay. Did you tell Daddy what you did at swim class? Oh Lord, this camera, what a monster you've turned him into. Okay, that's his shirt. That's his mouth. Yay! Shaker! Cool! Okay, now that we're all seasick, bye-bye.